Ella's Bubbles delivers quality engineering and style with Ella inward swing door walk-in tubs. Each Ella walk-in tub is equipped with a beautifully custom-crafted brushed stainless steel door with frosted tempered glass, giving your tub a unique high-end look. These doors are removable for convenient cleaning. A low step-in threshold, textured slip-resistant floor, molded seat, as well as deck or wall-mounted grab bars for safety. The acrylic shell is backed by a solid rust-proof stainless steel frame with adjustable leveling legs, giving you a safe, sturdy, and long-lasting walk-in bathtub. The best dual drain technology in the industry. Gravity-driven dual 2-inch oversized 4-port drains provides fast, efficient draining for maximum comfort and convenience. Ella's is famous for its innovative jetting design. Therapeutic 3-speed air massage with auto purge. Auto purge clears the moisture from your system to prevent mildew. Ella's powerful hydro massage comes with inline water heater and also an intensity control dial. The Ultimate model has an extra hydro pump for independent foot massage, so you can easily enjoy a foot massage without filling the whole tub. Eco-friendly ozone sterilization keeps your tub sanitary. Ella's offers a 5-piece or a 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Each set comes with an extendable multi-function shower head. The 2-piece is available in brushed nickel. Selected models include Ella's patented 360-degree swivel tray. Whether it's a book or a beverage, you don't have to worry about where to put those important items that aid in your relaxation. Chromotherapy adds a soothing visual element to your bathing experience. AromaTherapy utilizes your own essential oils to enhance relaxation. Heated seats for your maximum comfort and convenience. A 4-fold glass screen is a great alternative to a shower curtain. A head and neck pillow provides extra comfort and relaxation, and fits securely on the tub's extension or directly to the wall. A seat pillow lets air and water flow through while adding extra comfort. Your choice of easy touch buttons or digital touchpad. Give us a call today at 800-480-6850 or visit our website at ellasbubbles.com.